Let's learn a new Spanish expression. Hi everyone, the Spanish expression of the day is de buena gana. De buena gana. This expression means readily or happily. De buena gana is used when you wanna do something, when you are willing to do something. It's the opposite of dragging yourself to do whatever you need to do. De buena gana works with feminine and masculine nouns, and it doesn't have obviously a plural form. Now let's see a few examples using de buena gana. Miguel siempre hace todo de buena gana. Miguel siempre hace todo de buena gana. El niño nunca quiere caminar de buena gana. El niño nunca quiere caminar de buena gana. La maestra de buena gana enseña a leer. La maestra de buena gana enseña a leer. Las cosas hay que hacerlas de buena gana. Las cosas hay que hacerlas de buena gana. El jefe aceptó de buena gana mi propuesta. El jefe aceptó de buena gana mi propuesta. Okay, that was the Spanish expression of the day. I hope you liked this video. Leave more examples down below using de buena gana. Also, leave any other questions related to this expression. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also, you can donate to this channel on smlessons.com. I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Adios!